what? I'm in a dancing mood. Dancing. Okay, so why am I so happy today? I am so happy today because I have something special for you. I have an amazing facial tightening mask for mature skin, or for those of you who are already seeing the sign of aging. Some of you do see the sign of aging at an early age. You starting to see wrinkles and fine lines, and your face is not as plump and firm as you want it to be. Guess what, guys? We're gonna take care of that today with some natural remedies using ingredients that are known to tighten and firm the skin, loaded with protein and vitamin C and vitamin A. Woo-hoo. Amazing. So guess what, guys? If you're looking to tighten that skin, firm that skin using homemade remedy in the comfort of your home, where you could take your time and get it done right, guess what? Come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up in no time. I will also show you how to use this amazing facial mask for best result. Let's go. Now take a look at the main ingredient, and this is egg. Today I'm using a medium egg, and what I'm going to be using from this egg is the egg white. Now egg white is great for aging skin. It helps to tighten and firm the skin, and if you have large pores or acne prone skin, egg whites help close pores and get rid of buildup. If your skin is oily, egg white are said to clarify pores and hair follicles that makes too much sebum. And best of all, egg is gonna help to lift and firm the skin while getting rid of wrinkles and fine lines. Here the egg, I'm just gonna extract the egg yolk from the egg white. Now do whatever you normally do for this process. However, I just like to break my egg like I'm showing here, and then I just move it from shell to shell to get out the egg white. Now here we have our egg white, and this is what we're going to use. And now let's move on to the aloe vera. So we're just going to cut our aloe vera. And we're going to extract the gel. Today I'm not using a blender, so I'm just going to cut the top off like this. And here we have the fresh aloe vera gel. We're just going to scrape the gel. Just keep scraping. You can also use a fork to scrape this. This is about enough. Good. About 1 tablespoon of the fresh aloe vera gel. So we have egg white and we have aloe vera gel. Now here we have our next ingredient, which is coconut oil. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour about a teaspoon of coconut oil in the aloe vera gel. One tablespoon of the egg white. Just whisk this together. You can also choose to blend this and just whisk. Keep whisking. Now this is ready. This is what you're going to use on your face. So what you're going to do, you are just taking a little of the remedy, and you're
Just apply it to your face, all over your face like I'm showing here. Once you do that, you're going to sit with it for about 30 minutes to an hour. And it's going to come to a complete dry. Once it is dried, you're going to rinse this off with some warm water, preferably. Pat dry the skin and apply your favorite moisturizer. You can store this in the refrigerator for about 3 days. Use it up within the 3 days. And you can use this on your face at least twice a week or maybe even 3 times, okay? Continue to use this for best result and you're on your way to younger looking you.
So there you have it. It is an amazing mask. So guess what, guys? Give it a try. Once you have the ingredient, just give it a go. Use it for a week and come back and leave a comment. I will be waiting for those comments. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.